Hello and welcome to the Falls and Woods of Hoover. Today we're going to tour one of our Chestnuts, which is a 3-bedroom. We're going to tour 519. Come on in. As you walk in, you'll notice the spacious floor plan, open floor plan with your dining room and living room. Next is going to be our master bedroom with our ceiling fan and our light above lighting. And then our spacious walk-in closet. And then in our master bath, you'll notice the cabinetry above, and then the garden tub that's on the inside. Okay, next is going to be our kitchen. And then all of the units have washer and dryer connections. Okay. And then now we're going to enter our guest bath. Notice the storage and the pantry area in our guest bath. Into guest bedroom number 1. Into guest bedroom number 2. And then we also have a patio with outdoor storage. So this was our Chestnut 3-bedroom. So if you're interested, just give us a call at 205-985-4407.